In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Cloudflare account ID. Whether you're setting up a new integration or just need some information for your records, knowing how to locate your account ID in Cloudflare is a valuable skill. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, we'll start by heading over to the Cloudflare dashboard. Open your web browser and go to dash.cloudflare.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare account if you're not already signed in. This is the hub where you can manage all your domains, settings, and configurations, so getting comfortable with navigating it is really beneficial. Now that you're logged in, we need to proceed by finding the Domains section. You can usually find this option directly from the home page or in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Domains will take you to a page where all the domains associated with your Cloudflare account are listed. You'll want to look through this list and locate the specific domain you're interested in. This might be especially useful if you manage multiple sites or clients from the same account. Once you've identified your domain of interest, click on it. This will open up a detailed view of your domain settings and configurations. It's a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage everything related to this specific domain, from DNS settings to security protocols. At first glance, everything might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. We're focusing on just a couple of pieces of information today. Now that you're viewing your domain, direct your attention to the right side of the page where you'll find the API section. This is where Cloudflare provides important details such as the zone ID. Keep in mind that the zone ID is related to the domain itself, and while crucial for certain API functionalities, our primary goal here is to discover the account ID. To find the account ID, look further down this same section or area. The account ID is typically presented near the zone ID, along with other key pieces of information related to your Cloudflare account specifics. Once you've located your account ID, it's a good idea to make a note of it somewhere secure, especially if you'll need it for any integrations or support inquiries in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Cloudflare account ID. Having this ID easily accessible can streamline many processes, whether you're setting up new tools or seeking technical support. Understanding where to find it and how to navigate the Cloudflare dashboard just makes managing your web presence a bit easier. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has simplified things for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out other Cloudflare tutorials for more tips and tricks.